It's autumn here at Homegrown Veg in the United Kingdom, and most of what I've grown this year has been harvested. So what I've got now is lots of soil and buckets that have been used in producing those vegetables. So what we're going to do with those buckets, what we're going to do with that soil, because we're going to be using the buckets and that soil next year. I'll tell you what we're going to be doing. We're going to be rejuvenating that soil. Yeah, we're going to put a bit more spark back into it, the spark that this year's vegetables have taken out of it. And nature's going to help us. Yes, it is. We're going to use the winter months to help us reinvigorate that soil so we can use it again next year. Now, I've done this for year after year after year, and I know it works. I know it works. I've been down to our local seashore recently and collected some seaweed. I haven't done anything with it yet, basically because I haven't had the time, and it's been raining a lot. I couldn't get into the garden, it's been raining a lot. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cut you to some screen grabs from previous years. Now this is what I'm going to be doing this year. I'll splice in there some shots of vegetables that I've harvested, and these vegetables are harvested from buckets filled with soil that was used the previous year and the previous year and the previous year. And I'll show you what I do through these screen grabs. Okay, enjoy the screen grabs, then come back to me, we'll wind this video up. so that's it. Simple as. Chop and drop. Something brown, something green. Believe it or not, seaweed is green, grass is green, the leaves are brown. Mix them up, chop them up together, just drop them on any bare soil you've got. I like to cap off my buckets of soil with chop and drop. I like to cover the raised beds with chop and drop, and then I do nothing for several months, apart from some cups of tea. Yeah, doing no gardening. You can't do any gardening, it's too cold. But outdoors, nature's taking care of that chop and drop. Worms love it. Anything that lives in the soil loves it. They'll be taking it down. The wind and the rain will be driving it down. It's going into that soil. Yes, it is. And then in March of the year, turn the bucket out, incorporate anything that hasn't broken down into the soil, throw in, for example, if you're growing potatoes, a slack handful of potato fertiliser, recharge the bucket, you're up and running again. It works, I know it does, I do it. I wouldn't tell you it works if I didn't know it works, and I hadn't proved it to myself that it works, and I've proved it to myself, it works. This soil could probably last forever, provided you give it some TLC, and provided you do that probably over the winter months, because you're not growing anything, you're just waiting for the following spring. So yeah, don't just let it sit out there idle. Give it some TLC over the winter months, and it will be ready for you to use again in spring the following year. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget, give that soil tub some TLC, and give this channel some TLC by way of a thumbs up and a subscription. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. If you are a subscriber, thanks for being a subscriber. This is Homegrown Veg, signing out.